Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of modern decor with some stunning living room design ideas that will transform your space into a stylish sanctuary. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or a vibrant social hub, we've got you covered. The living room is often considered the heart of the home, a space where families gather, friends socialize, and memories are created. As such, it deserves thoughtful design that reflects your personal style while also being functional and comfortable. Modern decor, characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on open spaces, offers a fresh and sophisticated aesthetic that can transform your living room into a serene retreat or a vibrant social hub. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various modern decor living room design ideas, discussing color palettes, furniture choices, layout arrangements, and decorative accents that can help you achieve a contemporary look tailored to your lifestyle. Understanding modern decor, before diving into specific design ideas, it's essential to grasp what modern decor entails. Originating in the early to mid-20th century, modern design emphasizes simplicity and functionality. It often features clean lines, furniture and architecture with smooth, straight lines, neutral color palettes. Whites, blacks, grays, and earth tones dominate the color scheme. Natural materials, wood, leather, glass, and metal are commonly used. Minimalism, less is more, approach that avoids clutter and focuses on essential elements. Open spaces, a layout that encourages flow and connectivity between different areas. With these principles in mind, let's explore various ideas for creating a modern living room. 1. Color palette selection, neutral base with bold accents. A classic approach to modern decor is to start with a neutral base, think whites, grays, or beiges, and then introduce bold accent colors through accessories like cushions, rugs, or artwork. For example, walls, paint your walls in a soft gray or crisp white. Accent colors, choose a vibrant hue such as teal, mustard yellow, or deep red for throw pillows or an area rug. Art, hang large abstract paintings that incorporate your accent colors to create. Every living room should have a focal point that draws the eye. This could be fireplace. If you have a fireplace, arrange seating around it to create an inviting atmosphere. Artwork or gallery wall, create a gallery wall with framed art pieces that reflect your style. 4. Decorative accents, lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern decor. Consider these options. Floor lamps, tall floor lamps with clean lines can add height and interest to the room. Pendant lights, hang pendant lights with unique designs over coffee tables or side tables to create ambience. Textiles, textiles can soften the modern aesthetic and add warmth. Throw pillows and blankets, layer different textures and patterns for visual interest while keeping within your color palette. Curtains, opt for sheer curtains that allow natural light to filter through while maintaining privacy. Greenery, adding plants can bring life into your living room. Potted plants, choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants or pothos for easy care. Succulent arrangements. Use small succulent arrangements on coffee tables or shelves for added texture. 5. Incorporating technology. In today's digital age, technology is an integral part of modern living rooms. Consider smart TVs. Mount a flat-screen TV on the wall to save space and keep the floor area uncluttered. Audio systems. Integrate wireless speakers into your design for seamless music enjoyment without bulky equipment. 6. Personal touches. While modern decor often leans toward minimalism, personal touches are essential for making the space feel like home. Family photos. Display framed photos in sleek frames on shelves or walls. Travel souvenirs. Incorporate meaningful items from travels that reflect your personality. Conclusion. Creating a modern decor living room involves balancing aesthetics with functionality while reflecting your personal style. By carefully selecting color palettes, furniture pieces. Monochromatic scheme. For a more cohesive and sophisticated look, consider a monochromatic color scheme. This involves using varying shades of a single color throughout the space. For instance, shades of blue, from light sky blue for walls to navy for upholstery. Textures. Incorporate different textures, smooth leather sofas paired with soft wool throws, to add depth. 2. Furniture choices. Sleek sofas and chairs. In modern living rooms, furniture tends to have simple silhouettes with minimal ornamentation. When selecting sofas and chairs, sectional sofas, opt for low-profile sectional sofas in solid colors. They provide ample seating while maintaining an open feel. Accent chairs. Consider mid-century modern chairs with tapered legs and clean lines. Look for materials like leather or fabric in bold colors. Multifunctional pieces. Modern living spaces often require furniture that serves multiple purposes. Consider coffee tables with storage. Choose coffee tables that offer hidden compartments for magazines or remote controls. Ottomans. Use ottomans that can double as extra seating or footrests. Statement pieces. Incorporate one or two statement pieces that draw attention without overwhelming the space. Unique coffee table. Look for geometric designs or materials like glass or metal. Bold bookshelves. Consider asymmetrical shelving units that add visual interest while providing storage. 3. Layout arrangements. Open concept living. Modern design often embraces open concept layouts that promote interaction and flow. To achieve this, zoning. Use furniture placement to define different areas within an open space. For example, position a sofa to create a conversation area while leaving pathways clear. Area rugs. Use area rugs to delineate spaces visually. A large rug under the coffee table can anchor the seating area. conclusion, creating a modern decor living room involves balancing aesthetics with functionality while reflecting your personal style. By carefully selecting color palettes, furniture pieces, layouts, and decorative accents, you can design a space that is both inviting and stylish. Remember to embrace the principles of modern design, simplicity, clean lines, and open spaces, while also incorporating personal touches that make the room uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a cozy retreat or a vibrant social space, these ideas will inspire you to craft the perfect modern living room that meets your needs and enhances your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more creative ideas to make your home truly yours. Happy decorating!